Hi there. If you're facing authentication issue while logging into your Facebook Business Manager, here's the easy steps to remove it and carry on your procedures. So first of all, search for Business Manager and then click on it. Here you can see the authentication is required in order to proceed further. So I'm going to remove it. Uh, right click on your browser and click on inspect. Then click on here and click backspace or delete button, whatever works for your computer, and then keep on deleting, keep on removing the things, keep removing this and this. I'm just removing the layers of authentication, so keep removing the code by clicking on the code and then removing it. So here you can see the authenticator options are kept removing. Keep removing it. As you can see, the elements is kept removing item by item. You can see the authenticator is just removed, but the layers is still there. So click remove again, click and remove again, then again, then again, again. You can notice the code I'm removing and the layers are getting out from it. Kept it removing. It's almost just done. It's almost done. Yeah, here you can see everything is now clickable. As you can see, let me touch L and go into Business Manager. So here you can see it works out, and I'm into my Business Manager and can manage the settings of it. But if it's appear again after removing it, you can take the same procedure again and then can manage the further actions to into your business manager and changing your email from it. So you can proceed the authentication and etc. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you face any issue, comment below and I will answer for it.